While abandoned mansions are often associated with neglect and decay, they can also evoke a sense of mystery and intrigue. Several magnificent mansions around the world have been abandoned for various reasons, and their architectural grandeur still captures attention. Here are a few. Bannerman Castle, Polypel Island, New York, USA. Francis Bannerman VI, a Scottish arms dealer, built this castle-like mansion on Polypel Island in the Hudson River. After he died in 1918, the property fell into disrepair and was damaged by a series of accidents, including a gunpowder explosion. The island and the castle are now uninhabited. Château Miranda, Celles, Belgium. Also known as Château de Noisy, this fairy tale-like castle was built in 1866 for the Liedekerke-Beaufort family. It served various purposes over the years but was eventually abandoned in 1991. The castle is a popular destination for urban explorers, although it is gradually deteriorating. Hellingly Hospital, Hellingly, England. Hellingly Hospital, a psychiatric hospital, was opened in 1903 and closed in 1994. The main administration building, with its stunning architecture, has been abandoned and is slowly succumbing to decay. The site has been featured in various films and television shows. Miranda Castle, Celles, Belgium. Another mansion in Celles, Belgium, Miranda Castle, also known as Château de Noisy, was abandoned in the mid-20th century. The castle has a distinctive fairy tale appearance and is a popular destination for urban explorers despite its deteriorating condition. Villa de Vecchi, Cortanova, Italy. Also known as the Red House, Villa de Vecchi was built in the 1850s. It was abandoned after the murder of its owner in the 2000s and has since become a hauntingly beautiful ruin, attracting photographers and curious visitors. Salve Mater Sanatorium, Lovenjoul, Belgium. Built in the early 1920s as a sanatorium for mental patients, Salve Mater is an imposing structure with a mix of architectural styles. It was abandoned in the 1990s and has since deteriorated, but its eerie atmosphere attracts urban explorers. These abandoned mansions are just a few, and there are many more scattered across the globe. While their stories may be tinged with sadness and neglect, they continue to capture the imagination of those fascinated by the intersection of history, architecture, and decay. Keep in mind that exploring abandoned properties can be dangerous and is often illegal, so it's important to prioritize safety and respect for private property. Don't forget to subscribe and pin the notification bell so that you will be updated for more exciting videos.